Hi guys, this right here is Confirm Plus Shop, the best condition Subaru Forester on the market. Just have a look. This car is almost 7 years old. Yet over here, all the protective plastic from factory is still here. The leather is absolutely perfect condition, and also even here also got protective plastic and few more places. So when you buy this car, you can have that brand new car unwrapping experience. Yo, Unlock Adil over here, and this right here is Subaru Forester with sunroof. One owner only, super low mileage at only 50,000, and the condition is so immaculate. Certainly the best unit on the market. Let's check it out. Just have a look at this beauty. The paintwork of this car is absolutely flawless, not a single scratch on a body. Forester is a proper all-wheel drive SUV, and it is also a very practical car. Let me show you the boot space. As you can see, the boot space is very spacious, and if you wish to separate your cabin from your boot, you can always pull this thing out, or you can completely remove it as well. You can see below here, we have the triangle still wrapped in plastic, never been used before. And if you wish to transport more things, the benches can fold completely flat. Now let's close this. I already showed you behind, very spacious, and leather is in perfect condition. Now in front, we have fully electric seats for driver and passenger. As you can see, leather is absolutely fabulously maintained, and also all the protective plastic is still on. Now, let's go in. All right, we're inside. And this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very spacious and functional cabin. First things first, we have full leather steering wheel, very nice to hold, 3-spoke, multifunctional with pedal shifters, very classy speedometer cluster in front. Over here we have your display that shows your aircon information and some other useful features. You can play with it. The clock, very beautiful. This is your infotainment screen. Of course, it is touch screen, and also comes with a reverse camera, which is very super clear. Your aircon controls are here, very intuitive. There is some storage here. You can select your X mode for off-roading. Couple of cup holders here. Can brake that you can pull. Just look at the leather boot here and here. All is very nice and in perfect condition. Plenty of storage. You have storage over here. You have storage over here. Of course, this thing can move forward. This is just a cover. Beneath there, it's all in very perfect condition, as you can see. And one of the highlights is this massive Scenic Sunroof that can be open as well. And you can store your sunglasses here. Another very cool thing, look at this sunshade, right? Over here, firstly, it's very large. Secondly, you can extend so that the sun doesn't shine in between the two places over here, right? And as I told you earlier, guys, the mileage is super duper low, only 50,000. Unbelievable. All right, well, have another look. All right, on COE, we still got 3 years and 3 months left. In terms of depreciation, only 14,000 plus for this super duper good condition, low mileage, one owner unit. This is a very, very good deal, and it drives like brand new car also. Really superb. All right, so you all know what to do. Call me and we'll give you a good deal.